तेरी आंखों की नमकीन मस्तियां, तेरी हंसी की बेपरवाह गुस्ताखियां, तेरी जुल्फों की लहराती अंगड़ाइयां नहीं भूलूंगा मैं, जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान।
A very good evening to everyone, and thank you very much for being here. And a year back, exactly in the same place, not at the same time, I took a little long to wear my makeup tonight, so I made you wait all. These girls were ready on time, of course. We celebrated Mr. Yash Chopra's 80th birthday. Yashji, as he lovingly was called by all of us, and I had the great privilege and the honor to speak with him and get an insight into what he believes in terms of love, life, cinema, and women. And at the end of the evening that we spent together, listening to his discourse, his talk, and his laughter, the one thing that stood out for all of us was one statement that he made. And the statement was embodying whatever he believed about women, the regard, the respect, the passion he had for women. And that statement was that I believe the greatest creation of God is a woman. So on behalf of all of us, I thank all these lovely ladies tonight for embodying and standing for what Mr. Yash Chopra believed, loved and respected in a woman in every form, in a mother, in a daughter, in a sister, in a girlfriend, in a wife, in a lady friend, every woman. And I also want to thank Yashji on behalf of all of us and the rest of the world that he was able to capture the beauty, the glamour, the resplendent gorgeousness of all these ladies on celluloid in a way that will remain embedded in our hearts and souls for the rest of our lives. Thank you, beautiful ladies. Thank you very much for being here tonight. And on a personal note, I'd like to say, if Yashji was here tonight, I know what he would say. He would look at all of you. First, he would be very happy that all of you are together. Not as happy as I am. I am a little happier. But he would look at you and say, oh, Shahrukh, बहन की टकियां बहुत सुंदर लग रही थी यार. And then he would say, बाकी तू संभाल ले. So because I was his main man. So, संभालने के चक्कर में, before I came here, I thought of a poem. I read a poem actually. It's translated from a French poet. I can't remember his name, so we'll just call him Voulez-vous coucher avec moi. And the poem is for all the women that men have loved, the world has desired, and all these beautiful ladies who stand amidst us, before us, and of course the woman that he loved the most, that is Pam Auntie herself. So I'm gonna... So if Yashji was here, this is the poem he would do for you. I have it written actually, it's in French. Carnations and lilies are hueless when set by the face of my fair. This goes for all of you and Pam Auntie and all the ladies in the world. Carnations and lilies are hueless when set by the face of my fair. याद करने में अंग्रेजी में बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है. Carnations and lilies are hueless when set by the face of my fair. A fine woven gold is worthless when weighted against the wealth of her hair. We come to the end of this evening. I'll squeeze myself between Madhuri and Joy again, because this is where I'm supposed to go. And Achla, who has choreographed the show. Thank you, Achla, for helping us out with this show. Thank you, Anoop, on the sound. I wish the Karol Bagh Sari House and everyone, the designers, Parinita and Anjali, putting all this together. Everyone who's been involved with this. Pam Auntie, thank you for inviting us and sharing this birthday of Yashji with us. And thank you all of you for your patience and kindness and being here in such large numbers and enjoying this. And most of all, as Yashji would have wanted, and I say it from the bottom of my heart, these people on stage that stand in front of you, they are perhaps the greatest achievers, the most beautiful, not just in physicality, but in emotions, in love, in hard work. And I know this because in a very small way, I have been a part of Yashji's film. And I thank them all from the bottom of my heart for making me the star that I am. Thank you, ladies. And thank you for being here tonight. God bless you. This is it. All you get of these ladies, the rest of the evening is with me. So good night and thank you very much. Thank you and a good night, everyone.